Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Have you ever stared at your folder with full of JPEGs and you're wondering why isn't a simple way to turn all these JPEGs into a combined PDF? Well, I have thought about it several times, especially with all these notes. So I thought to use some online tool, but then I thought there will be a privacy issue. Why should I let that online tool know about all my JPEG files or all my notes or photos that I'm having? So finally I decided to create a Python tool. So this Python tool will help you to convert all these images that you're going to have in a folder, and you're going to combine and merge it into a single PDF. So I'm going to show you all of that in this video itself. So now it will be very secure. You'll have your own tool locally on your system, so you can use it as and when it's required, and you don't need to worry about any privacy or anything, and you don't need even internet. So that's the beauty over here, and it's completely free. So let's dive into our video. Now before I start, I want to request you, please do like, share and subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos, and it's going to also help YouTube algorithm to share this video with many viewers like you. So now let's invoke our PyCharm. So on my previous videos I have showed you how to convert a text into handwritten, and now it's time to merge that. So let's create a new project. Give this project name as JPEGs to PDF, and check this creatable come script and click on create. So new window, and our project is directly opened over here. So let's go to terminal, and the first thing is you need to have Python installed on your system. So if you don't have Python, you can always follow this video. Once you have Python installed, just open PyCharm and go to terminal and just simply type over here pip install pillow. Hit enter. So we are going to use pillow Python package, which will help us to work with all these different images. So our pillow package is rightly installed. You can delete all this stuff from here, and you can start writing your Python code. So from pil import image, then we are going to import OS, and after that we are going to create our own method. So let's give the method name as something like JPEGs to PDFs. You can give any name, and what I am going to show you on this video will work for JPG files also. So no need to worry, right? So you can just provide some file name in case we are not providing, so it should be taking that. So / that is the base directory, and then we are going to grab all the JPEGs files that are there on the folder. So we are going to write a loop for that, and finally we are going to filter it by providing ends with .jpeg. And if you are having more images with different file type such as JPG, so you can mention that also like this. Alright, so in this video I'm going to keep it only JPEG, and next I'm going to short this. So JPEG files .short, so it should be shorting all the files as per their file name, so that we don't lose the order it's going to merge. Next we are going to add one condition to check if files are present or not. So if files are not present, we can just simply show no JPEGs are found, and we can just simply return it. And after that, let's open all the image and convert them into JPEGs. So let's create a empty array and iterate over JPEG files, and let's join the paths. That's it. Now we'll just simply open our image. So image.open, and we are going to provide that image path, and we are going to convert that one extra bracket, so remove that, and we are going to convert that into RGB. RGB, and then we are going to append it. So image list dot append image. Then I'll remove one extra bracket, and now it's time to save it into a single PDF. So we'll start from first image, so that is our 0th index, and then let's create one variable for our remaining images, and then we are going to save it. So first image dot save all will be true because we are going to save all the image, and then append images will be the remaining images, right? And finally we are going to print it on our console that our PDF is created, and we'll point it to our output PDF. So that's it. So we have a little error over here, I forgot to provide that colon. So that's it. So this is our method. Now it's time to call this method. So I'll just simply call our method JPEGs to PDF, and we are going to provide the file name and our path. So let's give the file name as combined PDF, and let's give the directory as our source directory, which is this. So we'll give just simply /, and that's it. Now let's move all our images from here. So I'll just simply copy it to our project. So I'll open it in Explorer, and here is our folder. So I'll just simply paste it over here. So all the images are actually pasted, and let's execute our program. So you can see all the images are actually here, and let's execute our program. So it's going to start merging all the files and going to create it, and you can see that it is showing already one error. So by mistake I have provided this path directly over here. Instead I should be providing this directory over here. So I have fixed it. Now click on the run button again, and it's still showing error. So let's see our code. So I can see I by mistake haven't provided the PDF extension. So combined PDF dot extension will be .pdf. So I just forgot that, so that's why it was showing this extension issues. So sorry for that. So now it should be working fine, hopefully. So just click on the run button again, and we can see it is rightly done, and our combined PDF is rightly generated over here. So let's go to our project folder, and there you go. Here is our combined PDF. So if you double click on that, you can see that our file is rightly open, right, and it is merged completely. So you can see page wise it is merged all the JPEGs files that are there on our folder till the bottom part, right? So you can see it is properly working. So yeah, so that's how you convert all images that are there on a folder to a single PDF file, and you can save a lot of time instead just navigating each images. So you can just use a single PDF. So that's the beauty of it. And if you're having any JPG files also, you can just simply add that filter in this ends with function, whichever file extensions that you are having, PNG or JPG. You can just add that, and it's going to append those files also into a single PDF. So to know more about that, you can always refer to our article. So you can just follow this article. I'm going to provide this right in our channel description, so you can read this. So all source code and everything is provided over here. I have also talked about this JPG part, so you can just follow this article and enter source code you will get on our project GitHub account. I have created a project called JPG to PDF. So here you can get this entire source code over here. So all these links I'm going to provide right in our channel description. So that's basically all about this video friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you.